Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, doing another episode of Cooking with Jack Show. Today we're doing these amazing keto-friendly tacos. They're like breakfast tacos. So we're going to show you how to make them, how to get rid of the tortilla, how to replace it with cheese. So come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. So we went through the fridge and figured out what do we want in our tacos, what are good breakfast tacos. We got some cilantro, we got eggs, of course. We're gonna finish up this onion in our tacos, some green chili, and especially cheese. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get our piles of cheese. All right, we're gonna melt these into pretend tortillas. It's about 350 degrees for about 7 minutes, but kind of eyeball them. You may have to go a little longer to get them more firm. Then you can let them cool off before you do anything else.
No.
As you can see here, we have laid them all in the taco holders so that they take the right proper shape while they're cooling. Okay, we will peel off the paper in a minute. All right, now we're gonna make our scrambled eggs with the ingredients that we had in the refrigerator. But I'm gonna take the ingredients, I'm gonna brown them first. Let them cook a little bit on their own. And then I'll pour my eggs in there for the scrambled eggs. All our ingredients are all warm and toasty. Now it's time to put the eggs in. All right, I want to show you guys how easy it is to pull the taco shells out. You can literally do it with one hand. Just like that, put the cheese back in. All right, now come over here and you're gonna stuff each and every one of your taco shells. I would let the eggs cool a little bit before putting them in because you don't want to melt the cheese again. But you do want to stuff them full of all the goodness and just leave them just like that. All right, so there's a lot of toppings you can put. You can put salsa on top of this if you want. You could put taco sauce. We are choosing to do sour cream, so I'm gonna take a dollop of sour cream and get it on this taco right here. There you go. And you can put onions on top, whatever you want. There is the keto-friendly breakfast tacos right there. You're gonna need a napkin because these get a little bit oily because of the cheese. Are you ready? I'm gonna take this big one that my wife thinks I put too much on, which I did. Here we go, ready? The great thing about these is that you can take these on the go. Wrap them in foil, send them with the kids to school, take them to church, do whatever you want. I hope you enjoy these. Let me know what you think, all right? I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode. God bless.